The following question reads that there's H2 and I2 and they're reacting together to produce an HI molecule. And they've told us that the Kc value for this expression is equal to 50. So what that basically means is I'm going to write the expression for Kc for this particular reaction. The expression is going to be products over reactants, which the product in this case is HI and its concentration is going to be squared. And I'm going to divide that by the concentration of the reactants, which in this case are H2 and the other one is I2. So these are my two reactants. So products divided by reactants, and they're telling me that the value for this expression is equal to 50. It's mentioned over here that Kc is 50. Now the question states, try and find the equilibrium constant for the following expression, which is exactly the same reaction. It's an equilibrium that is between Hi and H2 and I2. It's exactly the same reaction. Remember, equilibrium reactions, whether they're written in the forward direction or they're written in the backward direction, they basically are the same expression. The moles, the equation is balanced differently. The only problem with this expression is when you compare it with this expression, they represent the same reaction. So the only problem is that the expression is written differently, which means that the expression of Kc is going to be different. So let's try and figure out the expression for Kc over here, and that is going to be Kc. Let's call that Kc2. The expression would be H2 concentration, and that's my product, and the power is going to be half into I2 concentration, and the power for this is also going to be half, and you're going to divide that by uh, by the reactant, which in this case is HI. So we're going to divide that by the reactant, which is HI concentration. So that's let's call this one Kc1 and this one as Kc2. And what I'm going to do is I need to find the value for Kc2, and I'm going to compare the two expressions. Now, if you think very, very carefully, then one thing that you would notice about Kc1 and Kc2 is that Kc1, uh, if you turn it upside down, so I'm going to try and do that. I'm going to turn it upside down. So my Kc1 value, let's turn it upside down, 1 over Kc1. The power becomes the H2 concentration comes at the top, and the I2 concentration also comes at the top, and HI concentration squared is now going to be at the bottom. So I've turned the expression upside down. Now you're going to notice that this expression kind of looks very similar to this expression, except for this power half. Half is basically under root. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the under root of everything over here. So if I underroot this, I underroot this, and I underroot this as well, everything is underrooted, then you would notice that I get exactly the same expression. So 1 over Kc1 under root is basically H2 to the power, its concentration would be power half, and I2 would be concentration power half as well. And the bottom HI squared under root, that's going to be HI concentration only. So it's going to be 1 over 50 under root. And this expression is now exactly equal to this expression. So what I've done is that I've turned Kc1 into Kc2, and to turn this expression into Kc2, I had to do two things. I had to turn it upside down. The numerator became the denominator, so it became 1 over Kc1. And the other thing that I had to do was that I had to underroot it. So I did everything to 50 as well. So basically my Kc2 value is 1 over 50 under root. And the reason I can do that is that both of these equations are exactly the same equations. So which means that the concentrations are going to be exactly the same. The only thing is that the expressions for the two reactions are coming out to be different. So what I did was I used the first expression whose value of Kc I knew, and I used that and I converted that into the expression for this other equation, which was the same reaction. and I was able to figure out that this expression should have a value of 1 over 50 under root.